Hey guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can change the language on your Google Chrome. So even if you accidentally changed your language like in Google Chrome, you can always change it back to English or just change from English to any other language you want. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna in the upper right corner, you're gonna find the three dots right here. Click on that. And after that, we're gonna go down to settings, which is the second from the bottom. Basically click on settings, and once you're in the settings tab in the left side of your screen, you're gonna see the languages, which is the important thing right now. Click on languages, and there you go. So preferred languages. Websites will show content in your preferred languages when possible. You have spell check, Google Translate, and a lot of other things, but what we need is this language is used to display the Google Chrome UI. So if you click on that, you can basically see that this Chrome is in English. But what if we need to be it in, I don't know, Serbian? Click on three dots in Serbia and display Google Chrome in this language. And just click on relaunch. After you relaunch, your Chrome is gonna be in Serbian language as you can see. So basically, if we wanna, let's say, come back to English immediately, we're just gonna go to English, which is here, this right here. Click on three dots, click on the first thing that pops up, and just on the blue thing right here. So it's gonna relaunch again, and this time we have Chrome in English. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.